Welcome to Auto World Cars, your go-to channel for everything on four wheels. If you love in-depth reviews, latest automotive news, and exciting vehicle insights, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the toughest military vehicles on the planet, the 2025 Oshkosh L-ATV. This beast is built to dominate any terrain and is the future of military mobility. Let's get started. The Oshkosh L-ATV, short for Light Combat Tactical All-Terrain Vehicle, is the U.S. military's replacement for the iconic Humvee. Designed to handle modern battlefield challenges, it offers unmatched durability, off-road capability, and advanced technology. This vehicle is engineered by Oshkosh Defense, a company known for producing some of the most rugged and battle-ready vehicles in the world. Under the hood, the 2025 L-ATV is powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 turbo-diesel engine, paired with an Allison automatic transmission. This combination delivers an estimated 340 horsepower and 660 lb-ft of torque, giving it the strength to handle extreme conditions. The L-ATV also features the Oshkosh TAK-4i independent suspension system, which provides superior off-road performance and allows the vehicle to tackle rough terrains with ease. One of the standout features of the Oshkosh L-ATV is its modular design. It can be configured for various military roles, including troop transport, command and control, and even ambulance duties. The vehicle comes with advanced armor protection, shielding troops from ballistic threats, roadside bombs, and other dangers encountered in combat zones. It also includes an optional hybrid electric powertrain, improving fuel efficiency and reducing heat signature, making it harder for enemies to detect. The L-ATV is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a digital dashboard, night vision compatibility, and an integrated C4ISR system, which enhances battlefield communication and situational awareness. Additionally, it can be fitted with remote weapon stations, missile launchers, and other heavy artillery to boost its firepower. So, how much does this military powerhouse cost? The estimated price of the Oshkosh L-ATV is around $450,000 per unit, depending on customization and weapon system configurations. While this might seem expensive, its advanced features, durability, and battlefield superiority justify the price tag. The Oshkosh L-ATV represents the next generation of military vehicles, combining strength, technology, and adaptability. Whether it's navigating war zones or extreme terrains, this vehicle is built to perform in the toughest conditions. What do you think about the 2025 Oshkosh L-ATV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto World Cars for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.